Sonometer. Aim: verify the laws of transverse vibration in stretched string using sonometer. Apparatus required: sonometer, given tuning port is here, slotted kg weight. This is the description of apparatus. The sonometer essentially consists of metal wires stretched over the bridge A and B. This is the bridge A and bridge B. Placed on a hollow wooden soundbox about 1 meter long as shown in figure like this. This is the wire. So one end of the wire is fixed to the page. So set the experiment of sonometer given according to given in figure and put the weight here 2000 grams, that means 2 kg. So 501, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here apply weight 2 kg, that means 2000 grams here, and the wire is perfectly tensioned here. So apply to set the two bridges A and B in center point from here and from here. So apply the center point bridge A and B like this and put the paper piece here center of two bridges like this, and this is the tuning fork and vibrate and put here. Okay, and set the bridges to closer point A and B like this, and also apply the paper piece here and repeat the tuning forks. Okay, and wait to drop the paper piece after vibration of sonometer and repeat the experiment, then closer bridge A and B together. Okay, till this experiment like this. Okay, so this is the drop here paper piece after vibration. Okay, so drop the paper piece in this condition and notate the point bridge A position and bridge B position. Bridge 1 A position is 41 and bridge B position is 45. So note down this value in table. This is the table. So we observe the paper piece down. using different tuning forks in different wattage. First of all, apply the 1 kg, okay, and repeat the measurement. First measurement is 45 minus 41. This is the 45 and this is the 41. So the value of here 14 centimeter. Okay, so you convert meter here, change of unit. Repeat this experiment to change the position again and put down the paper piece here in same weight 1 kg and apply the position. If do not drop the paper piece, so change the position slowly together and apply this condition also. So this is the condition. Repeat this experiment 2 times for accurate value. So drop the paper value. In this condition, note the point A and B. So bridge A position is 40 and bridge B condition is 54. Okay, so difference between in this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14.2 centimeter. Okay, so right here the second measurement is here 40.2 centimeter and repeat this condition to again to apart, moving the apart from two bridges and then closer and apply the tuning forks and note the value to drop the paper piece here. So this is the experiment done of 1 kg weight and calculate the value of mean of 3 different outputs. Okay, here. So repeat the experiment again in different weightage like 2 kg and repeat the experiment in same manner you seen previous. Okay, so in this regard, you calculation before write down the standard value here. Okay, observation. So the radius of wire R is standard value, so measure the radius of wire, this wire, measure the diameter of this wire, okay, using screw gauge here, okay, and measure the value from here and note down in your table. Also notate the density of material of wire D kilogram per cube meter here or cube centimeter here. Okay, so note down here the standard value and calculate the length of this wire between two bridges using this table. And what is the formula? Here the formula is calculating the calculation of m equal to pi r square d. Okay, so you calculated the radius of wire here and density of wire d is here. So put the value of here and calculate the m and the value of n using n equal to 1 upon 2l under root t upon m. Okay, so calculate the value of L from this table and T equal to mg upon small m. M small m calculated by pi r square d. Okay, so calculated the n, that means frequency of tuning fork. Okay, what is the generating the frequency of this tuning rod, the fork, calculated by this experiment from here, cycle per second. So this is the frequency of calculated frequency of using this experiment. So different type of forks have different frequencies, and if you use the different type forks is here to calculate the actual frequency generating by this tuning forks. Okay, so this experiment is successfully set up and verified and calculated. And what is the precaution? The pulley should be frictionless. Okay, and wire should be uniform throughout. Third precaution, weight of hanger should be included in tension T. After completion the experiment, weight should be removed from the hanger and put on all experimental apertures required in proper manner in your experiment lab. Okay, last the Viva course question answer. What is the tuning forks? Second question, what type of wave are produced in a vibrating tuning fork and how do you hear sound from it? Okay, and the last question, which type of wave are produced by sonometer? Okay, so the answer is, which type of wave are produced by sonometer? Answer is transverse wave. So different type of wires question you see here. Okay, so you prepare the wires question for the practical examination like this. Okay, thank you class to still watching till last in this video. Okay, thank you.